Okay, let's just jump straight into it. We're about to pull back the curtain on the animal kingdom, and trust me, it's going to completely blow up any of those cute storybook ideas you have about animal romance. So when you picture animals trying to find a mate, what do you see? Maybe some fancy dance moves, bright, colorful feathers, a soft little chirp in the forest?
Yeah. Think again. For a ton of species, it's got nothing to do with romance. It's all about brute force, some truly bizarre anatomy, and this just unstoppable drive to pass on their genes. We're not talking courtship here. We're talking about an all-out biological war zone.
And our first stop in this war zone is what you could call an anatomical arms race. This is where evolution has literally transformed bodies into weapons. So let's talk about ducks. Yeah, ducks. Most of the year, they're just ducks, right? Swimming peacefully, doing their thing. But oh boy, when mating season hits, it's like a switch flips. The males get super aggressive, and their bodies go through this wild transformation. We're talking about their reproductive organ, which starts out at just a couple of inches. And then it becomes this. The Argentine duck grows a corkscrew-shaped penis that can be 1/2 meter long. That's often as long as its entire body. And believe me, that's not for show. It's a weapon, plain and simple, used for some pretty coercive stuff. The whole ritual is just brutal. The male chases the female, bites her neck to pin her down, and forces himself on her. But here's where it gets really fascinating. This isn't a one-sided fight. The females have evolved this incredible defense. Their reproductive tract is like a maze, a labyrinth with dead ends and spirals going the opposite way of the males. It's perfectly designed to block him. It's her way of getting the final say, a last-ditch choice in who actually fathers her offspring.
Okay, so if you thought that was bizarre, buckle up, because it gets way, way stranger. We're moving on to something called penis fencing. And yes, you absolutely heard me right. It's a literal sword fight with penises. For creatures like hermaphroditic sea slugs, everything is at stake here because whoever loses gets stuck with the tough, energy-draining job of being the mom. So here's how this crazy duel goes down. 2 sea slugs show up, and neither one wants to be the one carrying the kids, right? So what do? They whip out their penises and start fighting. The winner stabs the loser, first injecting this liquid to make them receptive, and then injects the sperm. And get this, for a final cold-blooded twist, they'll cuddle afterwards, but it's not romantic. It's a tactical move to slow down the loser's metabolism so they don't just digest the sperm like it was lunch.
All right, so physical weapons are one thing. But what happens when you throw high intelligence into this brutal equation?